guys, well, we made it. We made it to the airport. Yeah, it was really a long way, but finally made it. I don't even know how we still got it there. Me neither, Sobble, but, you know, whatever. Now, all we have to do is wait for them to call for our airplane, and then we'll be on our way. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty bored. What do you want to do? First of all, I suggest you get off the backpack. Better. And second of all, why don't you use your electronics? That sounds like a great idea. Hey, you guys want anything to eat? We're good, right, Score Bunny? Yeah, we're fine. Yeah, we're good. We're just gonna use our electronics. Well, can you get my thing out? No problem. Okay, should be around in here somewhere. Yes, we got the books. There it is. Come on. You guys, we got a problem. I can't reach your things. Just use your arms. Yeah, I would love to, but I've barely got arms. Right. Forgot about that. I got it. Okay. I got it, you guys. Let me turn the switch. Anything else? Oh, yeah. Can you get my 2DS? Yeah, sure, I got you. Okay. There you go, Sobble. You're welcome. Yeah, thanks, dude. Hour later. All right, I got it. Dang it, I lost again. How you going for you, Score Bunny? Come on. Dang it, I lost again. How about you? That I lost. And where's Grookey? He's branch to sleep. What do we do now? We just sit here and wait. An hour later. Oh, that's not me. Anyways, so looks like Grookey and Sobble are in the bag. Sleeping. They got tired, and now it's just me up here. Gotta wait for them to call my airplane, and yeah. By the way, audience, I'm sorry if I sound a little unenergetic. Try to be a little quiet. Okay. You guys. All alone on this plane. It's been like 35 minutes or so. Just hanging out here, you know. Yeah, I don't really know what to do around here. It's kind of boring, actually. Can't sleep. I guess probably because of turbulence. Okay, well, I guess I'll have to find some ways to entertain myself. What to do? Ooh, I got an idea. Yes, quite an interesting book. Okay. Well, I guess I might as well try to take another nap. Oh, hey, Squirrel. Ricky? You okay? Oh, yeah, dude, I'm fine. I'm just really tired. Hey, dude, where's Sobble? I'm right here, you guys. Don't worry, I'm right here. Oh, good. I guess now that we're all here, what should we do? Good question. I don't really know. Sobble, what are you doing? I can see you in the corner of my eye.
Dale, negro, dale. Estoy sudando, que se acabó. Que me monté, que yo como lo que pasa, que ya siento el calor de que
I finally got off the plane. I'm walking towards the other side of the airport right now. Freaking someone is still in the backpack, so I guess I'll be doing the outro by myself. Here we are. Here we are. It's pretty empty. This is the end of the video. If you liked it, like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Even comment on the video. Let me know what you think. Spent a lot of time filming it. I hope you like it. Alright, goodbye.